And which one is this? What color?
The Snowball.
This is Snowball. Okay. Yeah.
This one's got same thing.
She just has to get that little word in, doesn't she?
Yeah, because I
Starts to settle and then, oh no, I gotta growl again.
she was
Sweetheart.
definitely not that growly the last
She
time.
was that big girl last time.
That might have helped. Baby Girl's her best friend, and Baby Girl was here. Maybe we should have brought her just to... But I think she is the most protective mama we have of all of them. Hey, she's not hurting the babies.
It's okay. It's all right.
Keep the same counter in the hips, or is it?
Actually feels pretty good back here.
Oh, good.
So really, maybe slightly on the same side, which we'll sometimes see if they're C-shaped in utero, like if they're kind of, coiled up on one side, then they may have stuff on the same side.
Right.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, this whole litter we're all head 1st. We usually have quite a few breeches.
Yeah.
This entire litter we're head first, which is easier for Mama.
Gosh,